Here's your E on the B with D. Daniels.
Hey, welcome to E on the B. What are you doing? Crazy banana. It is powered by Wade Schicks Chrysler of Culpeper, celebrating their showcase event all month long. Check them out. Brand new deals on Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles. ChryslerofCulpeper.com. You know where they are. Where the chic happens, baby. In Culpeper. That's where they are. All right, that's Mrs. Jackson, if you're nasty. Mrs. Jackson, she got married. Janet Jackson got married. Here's the greatest. I'm so excited about this story. I'm telling you right now, I could pee my pants. Okay, so listen, here's the fun part. This is so juicy, this story. It's juicier than a filet mignon. I'm telling you the truth right now. This is great. So Janet Jackson got married in secret, didn't tell anybody in the Jackson family. Listen, the Jackson family found out when we found out on TMZ. Really? It's true. LaToya Jackson, so upset about it. So much so that she's promoting her new docuseries on the channel OWN, where she's gonna talk all about it. Oh, these Jacksons. All right, get out your Lindsay Lohan game board. What are we on, like round 425? She was on David Letterman last night. Great place to go right before you go into rehab, because you know he's gonna treat you right. And here's the thing, so she's talking about her rehab upcoming. By the way, she has to check into rehab by May 2nd. 3 months that she has to stay in rehab. We'll see how long she actually stays. I hear it's mandatory, but really, is anything mandatory for her? And Charlize Theron and Seth MacFarlane. Here's the new rumor that they are playing spin the bottle with each other. Fun game. Get all your entertainment news, B1015.com, keyword E. Mwah.